The Obama administration has said Narendra Modi is welcome to visit America. The US has also said that it would review Modi's case on its own merit. Well, this is in stark contrast to the stand the United States has been taking against Modi after the 2002 Gujarat riots. The US has, however, clarified that there is no change in its policy on Narendra Modi.
Well, let me first say, with regard to our congressional delegation that was in Gujarat, visits like this do help support a deepening of business-to-business ties, of people-to-people ties across India, in Gujarat. So from our perspective, the more congressional delegations that visit India and understand its dynamism and diversity, the more likely we are to continue to deepen those important ties. With regard to Mr. Modi, our lines have not changed here. He is welcome to apply.
A U.S. delegation comprising of lawmakers and corporate honchos had recently extended Modi an invitation. Modi has been denied visa since 2005 by the U.S. over the issue of 2002 post-Godhra riots. The obvious softening of stance by the U.S. towards Modi has generated reactions. The Congress has even accused Modi of buying his visa by offering business to Americans.
मैं मानता ही नहीं हूं कि कोई गुजरात में बहुत बड़ी तरक्की हुई है। गुजरात की तरक्की बड़े लोगों की तरक्की है, जो बड़े लोगों के बड़े हो गए हैं, ज्यादा डिफरेंस हो गया, बहुत डिस्पैरिटी हो गई है गरीब में और अमीर में। तो इसलिए उन्होंने गुजरात का ये सत्यानाश किया, हिंदुस्तान का सत्यानाश करना चाहते हैं। लेकिन उनकी ख्वाहिश है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने, ये किसी तरह से भी उनको प्राइम मिनिस्टर का कैंडिडेट डिक्लेयर कर दें, और पार्टी वो डिक्लेयर कर नहीं रही है। तो उन्हें तो पार्टी से कहना चाहिए, बजाय खुद अपने आप ये करते रहे कि लाइए भाई मुझे बना दीजिए, पार्टी के अंदर रेजोल्यूशन डिक्लेयर करा दें और बन जाए प्राइम मिनिस्टर।
देखिए, पहली बात तो ये कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी हों या भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अन्य लीडर हों, इस समय हम देश में, देश के हालात में, देश में जिस तरह से बदलाव के बादल मंडरा रहे हैं, हमारे कंधों पर बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है। हम उस बदलाव के बादल को देख रहे हैं और देश के लोगों ने जो विश्वास और उम्मीद हमसे लगाई हुई है, उसको हम महसूस कर रहे हैं। इसलिए हमारे लिए अभी देश प्राथमिकता है। जब हमारी सरकार आएगी, सत्ता बनेगी, तो उसके बाद जो है वो हम अमेरिका के बारे में सोचेंगे क्या करना है।
My colleague Mausaki Acharya, tracking developments on this story, is joining us live right now. Mausaki, how is the Gujarat Chief Minister office reading these developments?
Well, they're tight-lipped about it. They're not going to utter a word, but what is significant and what is being discussed in the BJP circles right now is that though there has not been any change in the policy by the US for Narendra Modi's visa, there has been one additional statement which came out from Victoria Nuland today where she said that Narendra Modi is welcome to apply for visa and we will consider it on its own merit. And that's one positive statement which has come out from her after a very long time, and that is exactly what the BJP is harping on here in Gujarat. Narendra Modi and his office is quite tight-lipped about it. They will not be reacting till they are actually issued a visa. But yes, there has been a small but a significant change in stand, especially after the Republicans visited Gujarat and met the Chief Minister just last week.